Today we're checking out LEPOWER Inc. It's a clip-on light. 1200 milliamps, Type-C charging. Takes up to 2 hours to charge the unit. From red to green on the base, it'll light up when fully charged to green. It comes nicely packed. It has the instruction guides that you can go over, all the information about the product. And we're going to show you steps through the unit. This plastic comes off. It protects the unit from turning on during shipment. Everything could be put to the side. We have about a 4-foot cable. Going to plug it into a 5-volt outlet. 2 amps is sufficient today's times. On the base of the unit, underneath the gooseneck, will be the USB-C. Where my index finger is a nice indentation, a little grip, so you grip the both like so, and you can slide it in. You hear the click, you see the red indicator. One of the ways is to open up the clip. You can open up the angle, clip it to the desk. We have here is the on and off and the brightness control. These two are basically one switch, so it doesn't matter which one you press. A short press turns it on and you can cycle through 5 of the brightness and off. In any of the brightness modes to turn off, just long press and they're shut off. This will change the Kelvin of the 24 LEDs. There are 2 per. One is warm, one is cool, and both is the coolest. This is a CR90, and we're going to turn the light on and shine it down, demonstrate. Short press is the lowest, 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%, and off. Short press turns it on, long press turns it off. If I press it on and go through a number of settings, I want to change from 2700 to 4000 to 6000, I press the other button. As you can see, you got the warm, medium, and the coolest, and back. Those are the 3 modes. 5 brightness, 3 mode temperatures. This is the gooseneck. Any way you want, you can twist it. It's very, very flexible and soft and easy to bend. If I need light to do things, if I need to read outside in the dark, I have a nice portable light that I could set up and read. 2 hours to charge and a number of hours to run. On the lowest power, it'll last you the longest. On the highest power, it'll consume more battery and last less time. This should last you a good number of hours to read. So what we're going to do is go outside, show you what nighttime looks like. So in the meantime, let me take my light, put it in my pocket, and off I go. If I need some light by my plants, nighttime, I turn the unit on. I choose the brightness level I want and the Kelvin I want, and it gives some light to my plants. I'm here trying to work on my drone, and I need to have it where I need to see, so I clip it to the railing and I adjust it to where I need it to be at, and I'm able to put a light on this and change it to the different brightness levels, and then I could change it to the color Kelvin I want. It's really bright, does a nice job, and it lasts a very long time over the hours. Great to put anywhere you need. I hope this light is something that you're looking for, something that may interest you in looking at light. LEPOWER-TEC. Nice small compact light, take it anywhere you want, work wherever you need to be at. This is a light that will be flexible and light up your needs. I hope you like the scenarios that I showed you that you could put this light through. Check out LEPOWER-TEC. It may be the clip-on light for your needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.